Hello, this is going to be an unboxing of something very boring but very important. It's a battery charger. It's the Grin Technology Satiator. Grin Technologies, plural. I think there's like a 72 volt version, but I was in the market for a new e-bike battery because mine is starting to not hold its charge or just act weird. So I was doing some research and I bought a battery on EM3 EV because I went on Amazon, saw what they had available, looked that up, and Louis Rossmann has a video on why you shouldn't buy from Unit Pack Power, and yeah, these e-bike battery fires are no joke, so I thought I would, just do it right this time around. Yeah, I really don't know what to expect. I actually don't know how to use this because this is now we're getting into you need to have some understanding of electrical engineering a little bit to know what's happening here. But yeah, the e-bike battery I have right now, it came with a charger, and it just stops charging once it's at 100%. And I've had this battery since 2020 or 2021, I forget, but 5 years, more than 5 years. And I felt like if I had a charger like this, where it can stop charging at 80% or anything you can set it to, apparently, then that would increase the longevity of my batteries. So yeah, there's so many things about this charger that I really just don't know what is happening. But this charger, I think it's one of those things that you buy it one time, and that's like the charger for life, right? Okay, that's pretty cool. So here is the Satiator. It's very well built. It's heavy. It's cold because it's some sort of powder-coated metal. Okay, so yeah, so this would plug into that. Yeah, it looks like it also would screw on there. And then this would go in there and just plug in the outlet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read the manual. I really have no idea, I have no idea what's gonna happen when I plug it in. I wouldn't really know what to do. But yeah, this is just the, I'm pretty sure, there's a couple videos on the Satiator, but I don't think any of them are from someone who has no idea what they're doing. So just sharing the journey on, battery chargers. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna, I'm waiting for my battery. It's in the mail, or it's coming in the mail, hopefully. I feel like it's been over a week for the EM3 EV battery. Hopefully it wasn't, stolen off the porch, so to speak. But I'm gonna read the manual, and then yeah, this is you're getting an unboxing and a reboxing video in one. That's what this is. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Well, just okay. Maybe it'll fit in like that. Okay. Ooh, did I just? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I I could have done a better job, but anyways. I am going to read the manual and one really important thing, I'll leave you with this. So my previous battery is 52 volts, so it came with a 52 volt charger, and the new battery that I'm getting is 48 volts. And I asked the guy that works at EM3 EV if I can use my 52 volt charger on my 48 volt battery that I'm buying from them. It was like $500, I think, around that. And at first we sort of thought like it could work, but then he got back to me and he said, actually, no, it won't work. And yeah, so I'm not going to use my 52 volt old charger on the new battery that I'm getting, because the new battery is 48 volts. I really don't know what's going to happen if I plug it in, and I already have this, which should be a superior charger. Yeah, so just leaving you with that. And another thing is that if this thing hasn't changed since 2019, I'm inclined to believe that they won't be coming out with an upgraded version of the Satiator, anytime soon. This is getting complicated now. Okay, so yeah, I really don't know what is happening with this. I'm just waiting for my new battery, and I have this new charger. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use a charger, because this charger is like, it's a universal charger, so that's great that it can charge any battery, supposedly. And I really like how you can set it to charge up to a certain percentage, supposedly. But yeah, there's just more stuff that you got to understand. Yeah, this is complicated. I think what I'll do is I'll just contact someone either at EM3 EV or Grin and say, all right, I got this battery. It's 48 volts, 20 amp hours or amperes, and I have the satiators. So what do I do now? I think worst case scenario, I think I'll just do that, just to make sure. But yeah, this is getting complicated. All right, bye.